You know, the one with the stepkids are older than her? Uh-huh, that's me. Get into it. Well, hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGQueenHair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this easy, glueless, beginner-friendly install and styling, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, did y'all see that install? Huh? Did you see the install, sis? I'm just housewife on deck. Y'all, I can't, wait, hold on. This on the lips, it's on the lips. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGQueenHair. It is their straight brown blonde highlight unit. It comes in a silky texture, 12 to 22 inches, 150 or 180% density. You can also choose to get bleach knots and the elastic band added to your unit to make your unit glueless just like me, okay? Now, depending on the specs you get for your unit, the price will be a little bit higher. I got the 14 inches and 180% density as well as the fully bleached knots and the elastic band added to my unit. I did get a little bit of shedding when I did my co-wash, however, I did not get any tangling. This unit actually looks really good for this color. This color is it can get real stiff. Depending on how a brand does the highlights, the unit can either be real crunchy, okay, or it can be real smooth and silky. This joint is giving me smooth and silky, okay, silky smooth. Now, if you have been watching me for a while, you know that I have tried a couple different units like this from different brands, and I normally don't really like it as much because the parting space doesn't give me natural for my hairline. The way they did this parting space though, they didn't give me the highlights right up in here. They also didn't give me this brown color right up in here by my parting space. They gave me a dark root so like a 1B root down into the highlights and the browns. That is giving me the natural look that I am looking for. And that to me, y'all, is what makes or breaks this color. A natural root will make sure your unit looks natural. It makes it look more realistic on me, on my skin tone, and I'm here for that, y'all. I'm interested in seeing this on a yaki texture. So if OmgQueenHair wants to be the first one to go ahead and offer that up, I'll take it. This is giving me very much bougie housewife. I had my robe on when I was doing my hair, and I was like, you know what, I don't even feel like changing it, okay, because it's giving me a whole look. And I just popped her on my head. I did not glue her down because I didn't feel like she was needed to do all that for a middle part. Okay, for a middle part, okay, who's gonna know?
How would they know?
Okay, it's not needed. The brown lace that comes on this unit melted down pretty good on my head. You may see a little bit of a cast when I hold my head up like this, but not too much, so I ain't worried about it. Listen. I'm definitely serving like suburbia. Okay, the bougie type. Yes, I'm giving that look. Okay, that's what I'm giving with my little silk robe on that I got from Target. Okay, yes. Who gonna know? I pulls it all together every time, sis. Every time. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got a little flyaway up here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Put my little bougie ring on. Let me get this one off real quick because I'm feeling real spicy. Let me put my little pink joint on. The apology ring. I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. Okay, she married into the money. You know, the one with the stepkids are older than her? Uh-huh, that's me. Get into it. Who's cooking? Not me. Okay, we have people for that. Here for the looks. Okay, here for the looks. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OmgQueenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and my coupon code down below, so you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.